Hi everyone, my name is Hal. Today I feel good and wonderful. Now, could I tell you about our lesson? Yes. Lift the weight, lift the weight, lift your head, lift your head. Love is very miracle. I will delete all sad memories. Get lost. When get some dog. What's wrong? What's wrong? I am a hurry. I have to go now. I will arrive there soon. For you, for me. I wash my face. I wash my hair. I want to lose weight. Go away, go away. I wish you very happy. My village is very quiet. Thanks for your listening.